It's gonna be a quick video showing you guys how to remove this audio display unit. All you gotta do is put the shifter in neutral, get you a nice trim tool right here, and then pop the sides out. Super easy. You want to pop this climate control unit out first, and then I'll get back to you, show you what to do next. So now it's out. It don't take a lot of force to pop it out, and then you got the connector right there. Take that connector out. 8mm bolts. Alright, so yeah, pretty much do the same thing we did on the climate control panel. Just get you a trim tool and just pry out. That's all you gotta do. Do it on both sides. And then just slide right out. Yep. Be taking these 8s out right here on both sides. Just take those out, because on the new one it already comes on with this bracket on there. So I already lost one, but like I said, on the new one I already got one, so it is what it is. So we'll take this one out. That's popped off. Now we just take the connectors out of the back of this, and then we'll go from there. And then next thing, I'll show you guys how to program everything. Alright, so I got the connectors out. This is the old one right here. It's the old one. I ended up taking this bracket off. This was on the right side, so I ended up just taking it off just for a little bit of clearance. You don't really need to, but I just did it. This is my first time doing it, so. And then this is the new one right here. So that's the new one in. I got all the connectors in. Once y'all get everything in there, make sure y'all put this something to cover this shifter, because I kind of scratched a little bit. So if you don't want to scratch it, put like a rag over that. So once you got everything back together, make sure everything turns on and everything's functioning right before you put everything back together. Alright, so once I figure out how to program this, I'll come back. I just wanted to make sure everything was was working on here. So let me figure that out, and then I'll show you guys how to program the new audio unit. Alright, so once you get the radio in, I had to mess around with it, but you pretty much press these buttons on the steering wheel. After you hit the speaker button, say something, like just make some type of noise, and this bar is gonna go up. So now it just popped up. Sometimes you can just drive around and then drive around, it'll pop up, or just turn the car on and off. But this is a new unit, so I didn't want to mess with it.